Platform 3 is the 1931 Metro service to Stepford Bay via Ellesmere Junction. Calling at Denton Road, Berrily, Ellesmere Junction, Ellesmere Pond, New Harrow, St Helens Bridge, High 30 Metro service to Whitney Green. Calling at Robinson Way and Whitney Green. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The 1933 Metro service to Stepford Bay via Barton. Calling at Denton Road, Berrily, Barton, Coxley Newtown, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, High Street, Stepford East, Four Ways, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Beachley, Cadoxton, and Stepford Bay. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
We are now approaching Denton Road. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is a Metro service to
Metro service to Whitney Green. Calling at Robinson Way and Whitney Green. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1941 service from Benton has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
This station is This is a Metro service